Right, so we are off for Bonfire night tonight. We're celebrating, even though it's the 4th of November. Tomorrow's the 5th, but tomorrow I'm working late. So we're celebrating Bonfire night tonight. We're going to a pub called the Lawton Arms in Church Lawton. So I'll show you the fireworks and the bonfire. Let's go. Hi, Stu.
Hi, Stu.
Bobby is flat out. He did not enjoy the fireworks at all. But me and Stu have come from Benny's, which is like a chicken place in Burslem. It's amazing. So that's for our tea. But yeah, the fireworks were fab. It was a free plate. It was free, so you can't grumble at that. The giant bonfire. The fireworks were on for about 15-20 minutes. They were really good as well. You would have seen in the video. Loads and loads of people there. The pub must have made a killing. They had little pop-up bars outside too, so you didn't have to queue up inside for too long. Burger vans, hot dogs, lights and toys for the kids. These flashing light things, I asked, they were £6 each. A burger was £6 for a little burger, or 2 for a tenner. But you know, you go to those sorts of places, it's for free. That is where they're going to make the money on the food, so you expect it to be that much. We didn't have any, so I don't know if it was nice or whatever, but we've ate in the pub before. It's always nice to eat there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like please. Subscribe to follow more videos. Thank you. Bye.